Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Dorito burrito, only way. Start by prepping all ingredients so assembly is smooth and fast. Cook or reheat your chosen protein, warm rice and beans, and shred cheese. Crush Doritos to varied sizes for crunch, but leave some larger pieces for bite. Lay out a large tortilla, layer ingredients evenly, and roll tightly to seal the burrito for frying or grilling. Gather everything before you start and arrange it for an easy assembly line. Season your protein boldly to stand up to Dorito flavor and sauce. Keep rice and beans warm and drained so they do not make the tortilla soggy. Crush Doritos into coarse and fine pieces and store separately to layer crunchy textures. Warm the tortilla briefly so it is pliable and less likely to tear when rolling tightly. Place a warm tortilla flat and add a base layer of rice and beans, then protein, cheese, and sauce. Sprinkle fine crushed Doritos first, then larger pieces for bursts of crunch. Fold the sides over the filling and roll from one end to the other, pressing firmly to seal the seam. Pan fry or grill seam side down until golden and crisp, which also melts cheese and secures the burrito for slicing and serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.